30,777 Northwestern Highway, Farmington Hills, Michigan. We have an elevator here, and it looks like a Schindler mod. Yep, Schindler mod. Hey, going up. Well, I mean, it just re-leveled, but we're going down, aren't we? Hey, look at that. We got a certificate that's not expired. Awesome. Let's go to 3.
Going up.
This looks like it might have been an Otis with newer Series 1 buttons. Actually, maybe not, based on that serial number. Don't know what this was originally then. Wonder where the machine room is. Oh, it's right here. Oh, look at that. I was about to say, we might have an open machine room. Don't close on me. Look at that. That panel is loose. Yeah, this appears to be a Schindler H Express. There it goes, and that's it.